Starting a YouTube channel in 2024. Exciting, but also overwhelming, right? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's a step-by-step ultimate guide for beginners to help you get started. Step 1. Define your niche, 2 to 3 weeks. 1. Identify your passions and interests. 2. Research popular topics and trends on YouTube. 3. Choose a specific niche that you're knowledgeable about and enjoy discussing. Example, beauty tutorials, gaming, cooking, or vlogging. Step 2. Set up your channel, 1 to 2 weeks. 1. Create a YouTube account if you don't already have one. 2. Choose a unique and memorable username. 3. Set up your channel profile with a profile picture, banner, and bio. Customize your channel's appearance with a theme or color scheme. Step 3. Plan your content, 2 to 3 weeks. 1. Develop a content strategy. Decide on the type of content you want to create, e.g. tutorials, reviews, Q&A. Plan your content calendar, e.g. weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. Create a content backlog to ensure consistency. 2. Develop your content style, scripting or outlining your content, deciding on camera angles, lighting, and sound quality, planning for editing and post-production. Step 4. Invest in quality equipment, 1 to 2 weeks. 1. Invest in good camera equipment, smartphone cameras, e.g. iPhone, Samsung, or dedicated cameras, e.g. Canon, Sony. External microphones, e.g. Blue Yeti, Rode NT-USB for better audio. 2. Invest in lighting equipment, natural light, or invest in softbox lights or ring lights. 3. Invest in editing software, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. Step 5. Record your first video, 1 to 2 weeks. 1. Plan your first video. Script it out or create an outline. Decide on the format, tutorial, vlog, review. 2. Record your video. Use good lighting and sound quality. Keep it concise and engaging. 3. Edit your video. Use your chosen editing software. Add music, transitions, and effects as needed. Step 6. Optimize your video for SEO with 2 weeks. 1. Optimize your video title. Include relevant keywords. Make it attention-grabbing and descriptive. 2. Optimize your video description. Write a detailed and informative description. Include relevant keywords and tags. 3. Optimize your video thumbnails. Create eye-catching and descriptive thumbnails. Use relevant keywords in the thumbnail text. Step 7. Upload and promote your video, 1 to 2 weeks. 1. Upload your video to YouTube. Make sure it meets YouTube's requirements, e.g. duration, resolution. 2. Promote your video. Share it on social media platforms, e.g. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions. 3. Collaborate with other creators or influencers. Reach out to other YouTubers in your niche. Collaborate on content or promote each other's work. Step 8. Analyze and adjust your performance, ongoing. 1. Monitor your channel's performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track views, engagement, and earnings. 2. Analyze your content's performance. Identify what works and what doesn't. Adjust your content strategy accordingly. 3. Adjust your marketing strategy. Try new promotional methods or channels. Step 9. Consistency is key, ongoing. 1. Stick to your content schedule. Regularly upload videos to keep your audience engaged. 2. Engage with your audience regularly. Respond to comments and questions. Create a community around your channel. 3. Continuously improve your content. Take feedback from your audience into consideration. Experiment with new formats and styles. Step 10. Stay patient and persistent. Ongoing. 1. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time. Don't get discouraged by slow growth or setbacks. 2. Stay focused on your goals. Keep creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. 3. Continuously educate yourself. Attend webinars or workshops on YouTube marketing. Stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices.